Good job. Here's your ball. Oh, you got your basketball, huh? Good job, buddy. Good throw. Good job. You love the basketball, don't you? Good throw. Good job, buddy. Yay! Yay! You're a big guy. Hi, Tyler. Come here, Ty. Come here, buddy boy. Good job. You doing a big walk? Tyler. Come here, buddy boy. Hi, Tyler. Come see your daddy. Yay! Where are you going? You go get your truck? With your truck? Whoa, that's a big horn. Hi, buddy boy. Whoa. Where are you going now? Where are you going? I don't know what that was. Another piece of macaroni? Is that some macaroni that you dropped? Always eating something, aren't you? Buddy, look. Alright, get you. Tickle, 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 tickle.